Guys, my name is Sabir Ali and you watch my channel Solution Ki Duniya. So today I am provide this is Extreme UI ODIN variant for this live install and you watch now for this section. So after I'm open this Winscape and already I'm add this IP address, my VPS and this user and password. So I'm click this login button. And this successfully is login this my VPS server and I'm add this Python file install.py. This file I'm draw this root directory and open this Winscape. I'm already installed this my PC. So you select this icon and Control P press shortcut key and open this your VPS server OT. So I'm draw this Python file already and I'm update file run here and run this update command. And this Python command I'm run this. So this I'm type this main and enter, press Y, enter. So this installation started this ODIN variant for this Stream UI ODIN variant latest. So you want this files upload this is latest post already video uploaded and this variant post here. So this ODIN variant install this IP address is not working here. So I'm upload and post this my site IPTVitems.com. So you want to this submit this order and any problem to contact me. My WhatsApp number I'm provide this my WhatsApp number add this video. So you want this any application rebuild everything for this. For example, is IBO player, XC, Smarter, View player, any for this Parlay player, any IPTV player rebuild successfully and upload this App Store and Play Store and App Gallery and upload this players and you want to submit this order and any problem to contact me my WhatsApp and this page as you more post watch now for this click next and this I can click this two sections, so your choice. And if you want this for example only for this IPTV installation script file to collect this stream UI, SUI1, app rebrand and stream create and this top categories is same XUI1 install stream UI. So collect this stream UI. So this already I'm add this stream UI variant this UI now for this dark mode and is a 3 variant for stream UI spin and this modify upgraded this file and update this upgrade file. This is premium official for this SUI1 latest variant. So any you want to submit this order and contact me my WhatsApp number. So I'm click this back OT. So this MySQL password and this Y press and enter. Start for installation. So this page is this not working here for my panel, not installed this Stream UI ODIN variant. So complete this putty section and this refresh and to working this panel. More you want for this any stream grid reseller panel. For example, you want this reseller panel stream grid and stream grid craft panel installation file reseller panel, and click this post, and you watch now. For this you want to this stream grid reseller panel credit is you want to this watch and contact me my WhatsApp, and I provide you this reseller panel and installation file. You want to this is paid file, is one-time payment, is crack version. So I'm check this 40 session, this successfully installed complete. So this URL is already type this not working here. So again this refresh is completed installed. You watch now for this successfully is a stream UI ODIN variant is installed. So type this admin default user password and click this login. So this open this section, and you click this admin and click this setting and updates. So this already variant for this update, click here latest variant is Geolite, and this ODIN variant for this for example this latest variant 46D variant, and you click this, click here to update. This panel is updated successfully, and you watch now for this, and click this click here to update is Geolite file. So I'm click this update file. It's successfully updated. So this latest variant is running this Geolite, and is ODIN variant for variant 46D is latest. Same working here is old panel for this dashboard live, and LB install main server, and same for category packages, reseller panel, sub reseller, transcode is reseller, user manage user, and align user manage line, and Mac devices add this for this panel directly working here, and import this add stream and manage stream, import stream, and the same movie series is add here. So you want this online VPS server installation, and I'm build this local VPS server. For example, you have this PC to you install this Ubuntu server and run this Python command, and working here this Stream UI and ODN variant and SUI1 variant. Any for this topics panels is all I have this for this Extreme UI variant is latest, modify, old. I have this everything, and watch this my site. So this file I am upload this section is latest post you watch here. So this time not uploaded. So I am this screenshot capture and upload this my site. So you submit this order and buy now, and any problem to contact me my WhatsApp. I am provide you WhatsApp my video description, and is video watch for editing, display this my contact number. Thank you and Allah.